Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. Today, we're diving into the Toshiba N300 PRO 20TB NAS internal hard drive, designed for medium to large businesses with up to 24 bays. Let's get started. The Toshiba N300 PRO is a high-capacity, high-performance hard drive built for businesses that require reliable and efficient storage solutions. With a massive 20 TB capacity, this drive is designed to support your growing data needs. Now, let's take a closer look at the key features that make the Toshiba N300 PRO stand out. This drive is designed for around-the-clock operation, making it perfect for businesses that require continuous data access and reliability. With a workload rate of up to 300 TB per year, you can trust that this hard drive can handle the demands of your business. Running at a fast 7,200 RPM and featuring a large 512 MB cache, this drive delivers high-speed data access for quick and efficient performance. The N300 PRO is optimized for RAID environments. With integrated RV sensors to mitigate rotational vibrations, ensuring data integrity in multi-drive setups. In terms of build quality, the Toshiba N300 PRO is engineered to work in a wide range of temperatures, making it suitable for various environments. Plus, it's equipped with CMR technology, ensuring consistent performance and broad compatibility. As the name suggests, it's perfect for medium to large business NAS systems with up to 24 drive bays. Whether you're running data-intensive applications or need a reliable backup solution, the N300 PRO has you covered. Installing the N300 PRO is straightforward, but be sure to check compatibility with your existing hardware and operating system to ensure seamless integration. Customers have praised the N300 PRO for its performance and reliability, making it a great choice for dedicated Plex servers and data backup. In conclusion, the Toshiba N300 PRO 20 TB NAS internal hard drive is a robust storage solution designed for businesses with high capacity and performance needs. With 24/7 operation, high workload rates, and RAID optimization, it's a reliable choice for various applications. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.